Hi guys, it's Alex here. Hope you are all well. Today I'm gonna share some interesting stuff I found on my Twitter feed about Starbucks, and then I'm gonna do a fast stock analysis. Let's dive right into it. Okay, I found this thread from Trunk Pan about Starbucks. Let's see what we have here. I spent too much at Starbucks is a legendary meme. Yeah, I heard that's true. I don't drink coffee. Sue me. It's also not an accident. The coffee retailer, worth 120 billion, uses many psychological hacks in its store and menu designs to get you to drop more cash. Starbucks is all about positioning. The chain has higher prices versus competitors, but that's the point. People typically assign higher value quality to higher prices, known as irrational value assessment. This makes Starbucks an everyday luxury that people will pay for. Dunkin' Donuts $59, Starbucks $419. Premium brand equals premium customer base. By setting its prices higher, Starbucks attracts clientele that are relatively price insensitive. Starbucks frequently raises its prices with little negative effect to its bottom line. More than coffee. Former Starbucks CEO Howard Schultz created the premium feel by emphasizing experience, positioning Starbucks as a third place between home and work. Brought bean grinding in stores for aroma, banned auto espresso machines. It took away from the barista craft. We are not in the coffee business serving people, we are in the people business serving coffee. Lighting and visual cues. The Starbucks operations is about flow, efficiently moving people around the store plus getting them to spend. Form lines, it directs people to well-lit areas, usually the merchandise, which provides the added benefit of nudging products for sale. Shop layout. Across its 32K locations, Starbucks places its cashiers in the middle or back of the cafes. As customers work through the line, they are watching other patrons enjoy their beverages and bites. This is all priming them for their eventual orders. There is a psychological effect known as peak and rule. People remember experiences by the most intense part and the end. The pre-order app takes away two of the most unpleasant parts, paying and waiting, improving the whole experience. Starbucks card. Customers have $1.6 billion on Starbucks apps back in 2021. Customers have 1.6 billion on Starbucks apps cards. Hence the joke, Starbucks is a bank. In a concept called mental accounting, people irrationally classify money in different buckets and treat them differently. That Starbucks money is way more spendable than cash. They have also loyalty program. Starbucks loyalty program has 20 million members and they contribute 50% of the company's revenue. The retailer takes all customers' data and is able to provide individual offers at scale. The freebies are habit forming and keep people coming back. Personalized orders. We all know the joke, Starbucks misspelled my name. Yeah, right. However, the very fact that the baristas write it down increases your affinity for the brand. This is known as the cocktail party effect. People focus and assign more value to info about themselves. Menu structure. Throughout the 90s, the three sizes that Starbucks listed were short, tall, and grande. It has since bumped short. You can still order it, but it's not on the menu. And added venti. Now the most popular size is the grande, the new middle option, and larger than short. If you are confused about the sizes of coffees at Starbucks, this short clip is for you. Let's watch it.
Good morning. Can I take your order?
Can I get a tall chai?
A large black coffee.
A what?
Large black coffee.
Do you mean a venti?
No, I mean large.
He means a venti. Yeah, the biggest one you got.
Venti is large.
No, venti is 20.
Danny.
Yeah. Large is large. In fact, tall is large, and grande is Spanish for large. Venti's the only one that doesn't mean large. It's also the only one that's Italian. Congratulations, you're stupid in 3 languages.
Look, Dick, Venti is a large coffee.
Really? Says who? Fellini?
How much is that? Here's a 10.
Do you accept lira, or is it all
No.
euro?
Pricing. In addition to upping default sizes, Starbucks also uses prices to steer you. In what is known as the attraction effect, your choice set gravitates to the items that are closer together. Here the price between grande and venti is closer than tall and grande. And last but not least, no dollar signs on menu. Why? Psychologically, a dollar sign triggers the idea of price and spending instead of experience and what you're receiving. Shuman dives deeper into the Starbucks as a bank idea. Starbucks isn't a coffee company, it's actually a bank that sells coffee. Starbucks has built $12 billion bank right under your nose. Here's how they did it. Starbucks operates over 33,000 stores in 76 countries. They did 29 billion revenue in 2021, but 41% of the revenue is exclusively gift card sales. Wow. The gift card is a flywheel for their business. I will put the link in the description below so you can read all this by yourself. Now let's take a look at the Starbucks stock. It has a market cap now of 91 billion. It has a PE ratio of 21. That's not bad. And a forward dividend yield of 2.48%. Let's see the history of the PE ratio. It usually is more than 20, 30 PE ratio. Bear in mind that this PE ratio can change very fast if the revenue of the company will drop and the profits will drop, because we are in a difficult time now with war. Some say we have a recession now starting. As you can see here, the revenue is growing, and you have here COVID pandemic. You dropped in one quarter, they did a small loss, but they regained their profits the next quarter. Let's look a little bit deeper in the financials. The revenue now in 2021 29 billion. Revenue growth year over year. In 2021 23%. 2020 was the pandemic, minus 11. 2019 7.2. 10, 5, 11, 16, 10. It's growing slowly. Net income 4 billion. Dividend growth. The dividend is growing all the time. That's very good. Profit margin, very good. Let's look at the balance sheet. Total assets 31 billion. Total liabilities 36 billion. Why I like this company as an investment? Because how many people worldwide drink coffee? 1 billion. That's a lot of people. I think they have only 100 million customers per year. They have room to grow. I personally don't drink coffee. Just drink 1-2 glasses of water in the morning and I'm up and running. This said, even I go sometimes to Starbucks with friends that love coffee. Or we go just to get something sweet. For a diversified dividend portfolio, Starbucks is one company you should think about. For dividend portfolio, food drinks companies are good because they are somewhat resilient to bad economic times. You get your dividends even in recessions. What do you think about this company? Leave a comment below. If you like this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. See you next time.